In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add animated icons to Notion pages. If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to feel more alive or instantly recognizable, animated icons are a simple, eye-catching upgrade. We'll keep it quick and clear, and by the end, you'll have two easy ways to set this up, using a link and using a file upload. First, find the image you want. Look for an animated GIF, a sticker, or even a PNG if you prefer a static look. Popular sources include Giphy for looping animations and Flaticon for clean, simple graphics. When browsing, choose something lightweight so your page loads quickly, and consider icons with transparent backgrounds for a polished look. If licensing is a concern, filter for free, to use items and check the usage terms on the site. Next, copy the image address. Right-click directly on the GIF or sticker and choose Copy Image Address or Copy Link. A quick tip: if the link opens to a page instead of the image itself, try right-clicking the actual image and copying that address. Many direct image links end in GIF or PNG. If the link doesn't preview correctly later, you can always switch to the upload method. Now, add it to Notion. Open your Notion page and hover over the page title at the top. Click Add Icon. Notion will place a default icon there. Click that icon, then switch to the Custom tab. You'll see a field labeled Paste an Image Link. Paste the link you copied and click Submit. If it's an animated GIF, it should start moving right away. If it doesn't animate, double-check that it's actually a GIF and not a static PNG. Occasionally you may need to reopen the page or briefly navigate away and back to see the animation kick in. Alternatively, you can upload the file directly, which is more reliable long-term because external links can break or change. Download the animated GIF to your device, return to the Custom tab in Notion and choose Upload File. Select your GIF, wait for it to upload, and you are done. This method ensures your icon stays put regardless of what happens to the original source. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Smaller files load faster, so keep your GIFs compact. If you need a static look, PNGs work great. For motion, stick with GIFs. And if you are doing this on mobile, the process is the same: tap the title area instead of hovering. That's all you need to add animated icons to your Notion pages. Thanks for watching.